Hey wrap installers, what if I can double your speed and boost your quality with one proven process? Check out these before and after shots. Imagine a process that enhances your speed, efficiency, and quality, whether you're just starting out, at an intermediate level, or already advanced. Training one streamlined method that works with every 3M wrap films by leveraging the power of the control tack and comply. You'll work more efficiently and achieve the quality and speed that you've been looking for. In this split screen, watch as I wrap this quarter panel on the Camaro with one process, two films. On the top, I'm wrapping with the Satin Perfect Blue 2080. On the bottom, I'm wrapping with the 3M IJ180 with a cool design print. Here's the deal. One process works for all 3M wrap films, and that's a total game changer. There's no need to reinvent the wheel every time. Whether it's a printed wrap or a color change finish, the basics remain the same. If you focus on how you position, stretch, and conform the film, and everything else will fall in place. I've seen installers from all levels achieve faster results in just days with this approach. Why does this save you hours? Because you're not guessing or wrestling with the material. You're the one in control. I put everything I know in my online course, The Installation of 3M Wrap Films Fundamentals. It's step-by-step, hands-on, and built to get you results fast. Here's the why behind enrolling. Faster installs mean more jobs. Better quality means happier customers. And it all adds up to more money in your pocket. I'm taking real skill you can start using on your next project. Enroll today at www.fastfilmsacademy.com/home and see how this transforms your skills at any level. Oh, and if you have a buddy who's struggling with installs, share this video with them. Let's get everyone witnessing this process together. See you in the course.